Understanding a curveball in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in English, a curveball. This term is widely used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding it can really add a nice twist to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of a curveball. The term, a curveball, originates from the sport of baseball. In baseball, a curveball is a type of pitch where the ball curves or bends in its path towards the batter, making it difficult to hit. This physical action in sports has transcended into everyday language, carrying a metaphorical meaning. When used metaphorically, a curveball refers to an unexpected challenge or surprise in life. Just like the tricky pitch in baseball, a curveball in life is something you didn't see coming, and it requires you to adjust quickly or rethink your strategy. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used. 1. In personal context, my car breaking down on the way to the airport was a real curveball. 2. In professional setting, the sudden changes in the project requirements threw us a curveball. 3. In relationships, when she announced she was moving abroad, it was a complete curveball in our relationship. When using the phrase, a curveball, it's important to 1. Contextualize it with a surprise or challenge. Make sure it's clear that you're referring to an unexpected situation. 2. Use it in appropriate situations. It's more suited for informal or semi-formal contexts. 3. Combine with expressions of reaction. Pair it with phrases like, caught off guard, or had to adapt quickly, for a richer expression. So, there you have it. A comprehensive look at the phrase, a curveball. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language is filled with such colorful expressions, and mastering them can really enrich your communication skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.